Hi everyone, Nancy Allen here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for February 2021. I begin with this thought. Worries are just prayers for what you don't want. Well, this line from the TV show In the Dark jumped out at me in an aha moment. The law of attraction is clearly explained. What is the law of attraction? Well, this explanation from verywellmind.com says, the law of attraction is a philosophy suggesting that positive thoughts bring positive results into a person's life, while negative thoughts bring negative outcomes. It's based on the belief that thoughts are a form of energy, and that positive energy attracts success in all areas of life, including health, finances, and relationships. Well, the law of attraction is based upon intentions. However, what exactly is an intention? All thoughts are an intention. A wish is an intention. A prayer is an intention. And as difficult as it is to refocus our thoughts during challenging times, worries are an intention. When we worry, we are focusing and fueling energy into situations we do not want. And guess what? The universe doesn't know the difference between good and bad, positive and negative, what we want or don't want. It only knows that if a thought is being fueled by energy, it must be delivered. Ask and you shall receive. So here's the request. Is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will release worry from our space by alerting us to refocus our attention, our energy, to what we do want, and rewire us to hold that refocused view? And an Anahata code came up. It is solfeggio tone 396 Hertz. So what does solfeggio tone 396 Hertz have to do with our request? Well, 396 Hertz frequency is associated with the root chakra, the number one chakra, and is used for balancing the root chakra. Now, this energy center is often blocked by fear, stress, anxiety, and worries. And those blocks start reflecting in every part of our lives. We start becoming negative. 396 Hertz opens and releases those blocks. So let's get right to it. Let's install the Anahata code for solfeggio tone 396 Hertz. So go ahead and get comfortable. And if you know how to ground, I'd like you to go ahead and ground. If you don't know how to ground, you can put your attention on the base of your spine, down by your tailbone, and put a rope or wire, cable, waterfall, something attached to the base of your spine that you can drop the other end of all the way to the center of the earth. And once it's hooked in down in the center of the earth, that's your grounding cord. That's what you're going to release through. So come back to the base of your spine, and I'd like you to create a switch and label it release. And then turn that switch to the on position. And now put the commandment, the intention, into that switch and the grounding cord to release from your space everything that is not yours or that no longer serves you. Release everything that's not yours or no longer serves you. And breathe. And just take a look down at your grounding cord and make sure it's releasing. And then put your attention on the center of your head. That's behind your eyes, between your ears. This is where we're going to work from. And now there's a position we take to assist us with bringing the codes in. It helps our body be involved. So right-handers, left-handers. Right-handers. Right hand, your dominant hand, on your heart chakra in the center of your chest. And the left hand is in the air like an antenna. And then left-handers, switch it. The left hand goes on your heart chakra, center of the chest, and the right hand becomes your antenna hand. That's what's going to grab the code from source, highest good from source, and bring it into your body and then deliver it into your heart chakra with your delivery hand. Okay, so right-handers, left-handers, dominant hand, delivery hand, the other hand is your antenna. Now, once I start reading off the code, I'd like you to picture it coming from source, wherever source is for you, and come into your antenna hand, down the arm, across your shoulders, down the other arm, and into your heart chakra. And then once it gets into your heart chakra, I'd like you to picture it swirling around in your space, in your body, and in your aura, which is that space surrounding you, your electromagnetic field. And allow that code from source to find your version of the code and bring it up to full power. We have all these codes in us already. It just depends on if we're using it, if it's turned on, if it's damaged, if it was never turned on. And if you need it, the code that we bring in will bring it up to full strength. Okay, so right-handers, left-handers, assume the position. And here we go. We ask for, accept, and align with this Anahata code. It's with gratitude we accept the assisting frequency for solfeggio tone 396 Hz. 528 396 528 396 528 396 528 396 528 396 528 396 528 396 528 396 528 396 528 396 528 396 528 396 528 396 528 396. And to close up the installation, put both hands on the heart chakra and be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Woo! Well, that was a rush. Okay, to better understand what's going on with these codes, I encourage you to watch my February 2019 monthly presentation, How the Codes Work, right here on YouTube. And please subscribe to this channel. Also, check out my YourEnergyRx.com Code Carriers Facebook group for even more codes. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's code, and remember, there's a code for that. See ya. Bye.